What's the meaning of beaked? Beaked. Beaked.
Beaked. Beaked. The term beaked refers to the presence of a beak or bill on an animal, usually a bird. A beak is a hardened, pointed structure that projects from the front of the head and is used for various purposes such as feeding, grooming, and defense. The shape and size of a beak can vary greatly among species, depending on their diet and lifestyle. Birds with strong, curved beaks are often adapted for hunting or cracking open tough seeds, while others with shorter, straighter beaks may be better suited for catching insects or probing for food in soil or water. In short, the term beaked is used to describe the presence of a distinctive, pointed bill on an animal, especially a bird.